शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणे नमोस्तुते. There are many concerns about everyone's life. In that, the main concern for many of them is about their future. Everyone worries how my future will be, how it will be. It is one of the biggest worries for many people. What to do to have the bright and sweet future? Who can help for that? Who can bring the solution for that? Can we approach any masters, gurus? Yes, but mainly your future is in your hands. You are the deciding factor of your future. Whatever is happening, whatever is going to come in your future, it is in your hands. So if you wish to have a bright future, it is also possible because it is in your hands. For example, if you have the wish for the bright future means that you are having some problem in the present life. That's why you are worrying. You want the bright future. So, whatever you are facing, experiencing in this present life, it is from your previous karma. The deed what you have done in the previous life, it follows you in this life in the name of karma. As per your karma, you are facing the things in your life. So what you are having today, it is from yesterday. What you are going to do today, it will be for tomorrow. You cannot do anything for yesterday. Or just by worrying about future, it also doesn't make any sense. There is the only one possible things. What is that? Doing good today, in present life. Don't worry about the past. You don't know what you have done in the past. Or don't worry about the future. Just by worrying about the future, if you think, does it bring any solution, means absolutely not. It will not bring any solution by worries. So whatever you are having in this present life, it is from your previous life. And whatever the things you are doing today in the present life, it will be for your future life. So, future is in your hands. If you like to have the bright and nice and sweet future, instead of worrying, instead of having fear, scare, just do the good things as much as possible. Only the good things, the good deeds, the dharmas, the charities, whatever you are doing today, it follows you and it's going to be your future. You doesn't know about your past. You doesn't know what you have done. So thinking like that or worrying about that, it doesn't bring any solution. Same like worrying about the future also, it doesn't bring any solution. So the only possible thing is just do the good deeds, good actions, dharmas today. Because each and every action will have the reaction. So whatever you do, it follows you for several births. So Amma always tells, yesterday it's like a broken part. You cannot do anything with that. Tomorrow is like the cat on the wall. It's not sure which side it will jump. It can jump this side or that side. So the only possible thing is today. Today is the day. Today is the day for good things. Today is the day to create nice and bright future. You may have many problems, lots of hurdles in many ways. But for all this, the solution is dharma, doing good deeds. Along with the devotion. Because when you talk about dharma means, you cannot just do dharma like that. It has to come from the heart. So for that one need devotion. Devotion will bring that heart. It will bring the kindness towards the world. It will bring the mercy towards the world. So you need devotion, and along with the devotion, the dharma, the good deeds. Whatever the good deeds you are doing today, it follows you. And it will balance, not only, it doesn't bring only the bright future, and also it reduces the present, the previous karma also.